What are our responsibilities as human beings? Self-care, we should not be becoming burden on anybody. As we grow, our responsibilities increases. We should take care of ourselves. Physical hygiene or your health, everything, you should be responsible. Second thing, you have certain duties for your family. We are not the guest at home. We are part of the family. We should perform our duties and responsibilities to family. When it comes to the society, as a social being, so we have certain responsibilities. Taking care of our environment, protecting water, environment, air, taking care of plants, animals, caring, showing caring, kindness to our surroundings, keeping our environment clean. This is about the surroundings. When with the other fellow beings, if anything is happening, as a social being, we are all responsible towards it. Injury can be done through inaction. Certain times we accept the wrongful deeds. We just witness and we keep quiet. There are a lot of time we had a power to say something in case if your two friends are doing wrong things. You may be an influensive person or you may say this is not right. One word, bringing that awareness in somebody's mind is also our responsibility. If two people are damaging the social public property, bringing that awareness to their mind, it is not right. That is also our responsibility. And in case if somebody is may not be very healthy, mentally not healthy, they may say something to you. Tolerating by understanding their health or their mental status. Who is talking, what is talking, understanding their level of growth, their situation, and acting and reacting accordingly. Taking that responsibility instead of causing damage, understanding and help somebody. These are all part of our social responsibilities. And also helping the younger generation than you, the younger children than you, helping them, the senior citizens. If anybody is in need, we are all human beings. We are social beings, helping each other, supporting and creating the nice environment to live in. We should create this globe as a peaceful globe. Instead of blaming and complaining about others' actions, what can I do? What is that I can take up and do? There is a Chinese saying, the essence is do what you can do. Accept what you cannot change. It means wherever there are, definitely each one of us have a opportunity to bring certain changes, find out those situations and fix it. We all of us go through certain situations where we can't do anything. We have to just accept it. Identify such situations and accept it. Don't get angry in such situations. And the wisdom to differentiate between these two. That is what we need to cultivate within ourselves.